To address future housing needs, this project offers the City of Warrenton's planning department tools to guide future housing planning and infrastructure investments. The team developed suitability models to identify priority locations for future development based on environmental constraints, community amenities, current infrastructure, and emergency resilience. This process identified a more nuanced picture of developable land than previously adopted housing and buildable lands analyses. The report provides recommendations to guide changes to comprehensive planning policies.
We learned not only how to insert ourselves in the planning process in a real-world setting, we also learned how it is quite difficult to identify future housing developments and future areas that would be viable for production for housing.
One of the biggest pieces was thinking through what the state requires for these housing and buildable lands analyses and how we could incorporate the city's diverse priorities.
And one thing that was really great about this project is just learning how all the different disciplines of planning can interact together to form a cohesive project, and how you really can't have one part of planning without the other.
In 1922, a significant portion of Astoria was out over the water.
I got an opportunity to reformat and frame this so that it would be an excellent way to get students involved in a small town planning project. Something that's going to be really helpful to us as we continue to plan for the housing needs in our area. The project lays out development areas within the community that are most suitable for new development. And so that's going to help us prioritize infrastructure, zoning, and code amendments. And the recommendations and mapping that we're getting is going to be very beneficial to the community for a long time.
Ultimately, it was a really great opportunity for us. We really loved it.